What are the Shroud of Turin image formation theories? Imagine holding a centuries-old cloth that shows a faint, detailed image of a man's face and body. The mystery of how that image formed has puzzled many for hundreds of years. The Shroud of Turin is a linen cloth about 14 feet long and 3.5 feet wide. It bears a negative image of a man who appears to have wounds consistent with crucifixion. Some believe it's the burial cloth of Jesus Christ, while others think it's a medieval forgery. The question is, how did that image get there? Scientists and researchers have come up with different theories, each trying to explain this puzzling artifact. One popular scientific idea suggests that a sudden burst of ultraviolet radiation created the image. This theory proposes that at the moment the body was wrapped, a flash of ultraviolet light from the body itself altered only the surface fibers of the linen. This would produce a detailed, three-dimensional negative image without any scorching or ink. The image is confined to the very top layer of fibers, which supports this idea. But the mystery remains because no natural source of such intense ultraviolet radiation has been identified. It's a theory that hints at something extraordinary happening at the moment of burial. Another theory points to the possibility that the image was made by a skilled artist in medieval times. Some researchers believe that the image could have been created using techniques available in the 13th or 14th centuries. For example, a method involving a form of carbon dust drawing could produce many of the features seen on the shroud. This includes the fine details, the negative effect, and the three-dimensional qualities. Recent digital analysis supports this idea by showing that an imprint from a shallow sculpture matches the contours of the image better than a real body would. Carbon dating tests also place the cloth in the medieval era, which makes this theory quite plausible. There are also more esoteric and conspiracy-based ideas. Some suggest that supernatural forces or secret societies might have been involved in creating the image. These theories often link the shroud to hidden knowledge about resurrection or mystical transformation rituals. Some believe the image could be the result of lost ancient technology or miraculous events beyond current science. These ideas add a layer of mystery and intrigue, connecting the shroud to secret histories and mystical traditions. In summary, the main theories about how the Shroud of Turin's image formed include the idea of a burst of ultraviolet radiation, the possibility of medieval artistic creation, and more mysterious supernatural or secret technology explanations. Each theory offers a different perspective, blending science with legends, myths, and secret stories. The true origin of the image remains one of the most fascinating unsolved mysteries in the world of puzzling artifacts and esoteric history.